to my YouTube channel, guys. This is Jernay, si Rosalie, and Eva. Nandito kami sa anong tawag dito? No, hindi pa to Tubernary.
Nadaungan. Blue Heron Cruise. Ay, doon, picture tayo doon.
No.
Ay, oo nga, dito
So
pala.
first stop namin, naghihintay kami ng cruise. So yun doon kami sasakay, guys. Yan. Ayun pala, blue. Ayun yun. Yun ang lugar dito. Anong pangalan yun? Blue Heron Cruise. So dito kami, nag-aantay kami ng cruise kasi ang cruise ay 12:45 pa daw ang dating. So ikutin muna namin dito. Ang ganda ng mga yate, guys. Oh. Tatlong bus kami dito, nag-pel trip. So yun. Ay! Buti na lang hindi malamig. So yun, guys, dito pala kami yan. Ano, pangalan.
Talk together, okay? I know. Thanks, Greg.
55? You guys are already
Yes.
What's up? It's not the dick of yesterday. I would have waited.
Paano ako tatawa? Wala naman akong kausap doon.
Basta tumawa ka na.
Yeah, it's free, but it's sold all the time.
Right,
Come on,
so
let's
you'll
go
line
here.
up at dock number 4, just right in front of us, though. Yeah, and you want to be okay with about 15 minutes early. 12:15, yeah. The guys will be lining up straight in front of the boat.
Nagaantay pa kami ng cruise. So, sakay na kami dyan, guys.
Hindi mo na mainit pag nasa
Winter
pan na tayo,
dito.
diba?
Ang ganda ng cookies natin. Okay mo doon.
Diyan na doon ka kasi parang dito na tayo daan.
Taas tayo dito. Pwede? Oo. Baka wala na kukuha doon, ha? Dito na.
Makatayo, te.
Nandun tayo sa likod.
So guys, paalis na kami. Paalis na.
Okay lang.
Wow, ganda. Paalis na kami.
Magpan niya.
So, dito na kami.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome aboard the Great Blue Heron. On our trip today, we'll be visiting 2 shipwrecks and cruising alongside many of the pristine islands that make up Adam Par National Marine Park, including famous Flower Pot Island. So sit back, relax, and feel free to move about the vessel. Our crew members are here to answer any questions you may have. The Blue Heron Company acknowledges the territory of the Nishnawek Nation, the people of the 3 fires known as the Ojibwe, Odawa, and Potawatomi nations, and further give thanks to the Chippewas of Saugeen and the Chippewas of Nawash, known collectively as the Saugeen Ojibwe Nation, as the traditional keepers of this land. Looking off the left-hand side of the boat, you can see the MS Chichi. This is a car passenger ferry that travels between Oklahoma and Manitoulin Island. Its journey takes 1 hour and 45 minutes, and it can carry carry up to 140 vehicles on island, spanning an area of 500 acres. It is also the only island in the marine park that's accessible to the public. It has 4 kilometers of hiking trails and 6 backcountry campsites. If you look in the little cove here, you can see the wooden platforms. That's the location of the campsites there. Flower Pot Island is also home to several small animals, including snowshoe hare, squirrels, and otters. Sometimes deer and coyotes will cross it over the ice in the winter months.
Leftward boot! Manik, leftward boot!
The best. Celle qui t'aime parce que t'as un petit bâton magique. À Momo, celle qui t'aime parce que t'as un bonbon, pas un bonbon, mais un bâton magique, là.
Kaway-kaway sila guys. May naliligo.
I won't trade it.
As we approach the large flower pot, if you keep your eye on the top right-hand corner, you can begin to see the profile of a face. This is said to be the old man of the island looking out over Georgian Bay.
Ito naman siya, another na bato. Ibang form na naman siya guys. Ang ganda. Dito lang sa tabi. Pinicturan mo? Maraming naliligo. Yeah. Dito sila naligo ni Michelle?
Yeah, nagtagpisaw sila dyan.
Sarap siguro maligo. Parang ano?
Tara tayo.